Hi everybody, it's me, Smiley Ray, here at the studio, and this video is brought to you by Calogel. If you ever get poison ivy, and you get an itch, this will fix your problem in a flash. But now, you need a little background for this, because most people, well, most of you guys know, I'm from North Carolina, and it's rained about 23, 24 days straight, I can't even remember. And rain usually gets me really depressed. But I figured out there's one thing you can do in the rain that's a lot of fun.
Hi everybody, it's me, Smiley Ray here, and I'm working on building a boat called the train we've been having. So I got me my materials here, I got my safety kit, I got my eyeglasses, I got my knee pads, and I got my boxes. So I'm going to get enough of these boxes together, nice and neat, so be ready when I tape them together so they don't fall apart separately. Fold out the box here, and got my oar. I can stand in like this, I can start going like this, and I will have a working boat. Bye everybody.
And yes, everybody, I do realize it was probably not the best boat, but after 23, 24 straight days of rain, y'all better start thinking about something that floats, because you know what? You start feeling like you're gonna wash away. So, that's it.